Hello friends, are you looking for a career that is interesting, challenging yet rewarding and offers you the opportunity to learn new skills? Welcome to the world of digital marketing. We at EduBridge Learning Private Limited are glad to announce that we have designed and developed a highly rated certification program in digital marketing where you learn to put your best foot forward in the field of digital marketing. We live in a fast-paced world where technology changes continuously. To keep growing at a steady pace, businesses need to upgrade their marketing strategies and no longer use only the internet to market their products and services. This shift has created a huge demand for trained professionals to make this transition easy for them and help them effectively achieve their business goals. Digital marketing is a technology that focuses on the use of the internet and forms of digital communication to connect with potential customers and promote products and services. It is an ever-evolving field and has many domains including social media marketing, search engine marketing, email marketing, and web analytics. One always has the opportunity to upskill in a new domain and face new challenges. Digital marketers are the backbone of an organization. They are responsible for driving revenues by roping in potential customers who will eventually make a purchase. They create strategies around blogs, emails, social media, and display ads, which means that they have to know how to use the technology to its fullest potential. Our certification program in digital marketing has been prepared with extensive market research and keeping in mind the skill sets leading organizations in this field are looking for in their potential candidates. You will develop a set of in-demand skills that can accelerate your career trajectory and help you deliver outstanding results. This program offers 250 plus hours of extensive content, 13 knowledge assessments, case studies, and end of the chapter quizzes for our learners to check their knowledge. Our program is practical, instructor-led training and focuses on key areas of digital marketing. Our learners not only understand the theoretical concepts but also work on creating live websites, optimizing them to rank on search engines, analyzing user data, creating and optimizing social media profiles for their website, creating engaging content for their social media handles. Learners get a look and feel of how leading marketing agencies work with hands-on experience on industry standard tools. Whether you're looking for a new career in digital marketing or wish to improve your marketability to potential employers, this program is all you need to make you industry ready. So what are you waiting for? Come sign up today.